Welcome to Immaculate Art of Mary Matriculation School online class. Good morning students. I hope you are all fine and staying safe at home. Children, today we are going to learn about the lesson safety from subject social science. Children, our life is very precious and important. Precious means very valuable. Accidents may occur at home, school, on the road and at other places. So, we have to be cautious to protect ourselves from dangers. What is safety? Safety is the state of being safe, the condition of being protected from harm or other non-desirable outcomes. Children, through this lesson, we come to know about the safety measures and following them. There are many reasons for the danger or accident. They are haste or urgency. For example, if we do not start early, you may end up in rushing to school, which is very danger. So, avoid starting late to school and better start early. Carelessness or negligence. For example, if you hold knife upside down carelessly, you may get hurt. Lack of awareness, indifference or contempt, violation of rules. For example, in signal, people do not wait for the pedestrian signal. Before that, they cross the road. So, accidents may occur because they did not follow the rules. Next is lack of formal training. Without proper training, we should not drive vehicles. So, lack of formal training may cause accident. And last is not following safety measures. Fire, water, electricity, vehicles, toxic organisms, sharp weapons and glassware, pesticides, etc. are the causes for accident in our lives. So, we should be very careful in our life to avoid these dangers or accidents. Now, we'll see about the fire safety. Fire is the marvelous creation of man. Fire can create or destroy the things. Fire is very useful in our life. So, we should handle with care. Fire accidents can occur in the following ways. Leakage in gas cylinders, electrical short circuit, crackers and explosive, highly inflammable things. Highly inflammable things means petrol, diesel, kerosene, etc. What should we do to avoid fire accident? When we handle the highly inflammable things, we should be very careful to handle it. We should not keep highly inflammable things near to the gas cylinder. We should wear cotton clothes while cooking in the kitchen because clothes like nylon and polyester can easily catch fire. We should close the cylinder valve after cooking. If we find leakage in gas cylinders, immediately we will open the doors, windows to ventilate our house. We should not play with fire. Only with the help of our elders, we should burst crackers. What to do during a fire accident? Use fire extinguisher, execute fire warning system in building and make call to fire station. If our clothes get fire, we should not run. Why? Because fire will spread rapidly. We drop down and roll on the ground. We should not apply pen ink or coffee powder on the burning part of our body. We should not use sharp needles to prick the wound because it will infect the burn. Now we'll move to water safety. Water is very important in our daily life. If we want to take bath in rivers or ponds, we should go with our elders to take bath in water bodies. We should not step into the stagnant pond. Do not peep into the well, and we have to wear life jacket when we travel in water. Next, we'll move to electrical safety. Electricity has become a necessity for our lives. Accidents occur when we use it carelessly. We should not touch switches, plugs or electrical wires with wet hand. When we are using iron box and other electrical appliances, we should not touch electric wire. We should not play near the electrical towers or transformers and should not climb on electrical posts. During the rainy day, we should not go near the wires or electrical posts. So, children, we should not play with fire. Don't touch the electric wires, switches with wet hand. We should go with our elders to take bath in river or ponds and use life jackets while we are traveling in water bodies. So, we need to follow these safety measures to avoid accidents in our lives. Children, I hope you all understood about the fire safety, water safety and electrical safety. Children, now I am going to give an assignment. Put date and write the assignment neatly in the notebook. Thank you children. Be safe. Stay at home. Bye children.